In this lecture, we are going to learn how to evaluate things in the current context of the debugging session. In order to do that, we are going to get the previous example we were working on. We are going to execute it in debug mode. I have written this expression. It's a new one just to see how we evaluate things. Just a number with whatever operations you want to perform on it. First of all, we are going to see how to evaluate things by selection. In order to be able to do that, you have to configure it. I don't know if it was like this before, because I don't remember if I changed it. Just go to Settings and look for Data Views. This option is going to open, and you must have these three options enabled. This one enables showing the value next to the expressions in the editor. This one enables that when you hover something, it shows a tooltip with the value. And this one enables that when you select something, it shows the tooltip with the value of the selection. So if I go back, we can see here that number 3 is written next to the expression. If I hover number, I get the value. And if I place myself in here and I start selecting the expression, I will get its value. So I hit Shift and I start selecting things by clicking the right arrow. When I reach number, I see it's 3. When I get +1, I see it's 4, 7, and 42. If you want to evaluate them in a different way, you can use the Evaluate Expression window. You can hit this button in here. Maybe in your case this box is much smaller because I have hit this button in here to make it bigger. You can evaluate whatever expression you want in here and you will get its value. You can put whatever you want, It doesn't have to be something it is in your source code. But sometimes writing the expression you want to evaluate could be a bit tough because it is long. What you can do is just copy and paste or selecting it. So if we hit resume the program and we want to evaluate this, we can select it and open the evaluation window. And we just evaluate. And with the result we want. There is another option in here. From this window we can actually change the value for some variables. For example, get number -2 equals 1 because number equals 3. But we can change the value of number to 5. And then number is no longer 3, but 5. We would like to do this because we want to check the behavior of the execution without actually changing the source code. So right now, if I execute again, get number -2, it is no longer 1, but 2. And it happens the same thing if I select this. So as you can see, if I select this, the result is 5 right now. It is a different result. So this is very useful, as I have said, if you don't want to change the source code or you want to test something very quick while you are in your debugging session. So that's everything for this lesson.